the actions right now of the armed forces, as mentioned by the AFP Public Affairs Office, our spokesperson, is to remind the members of the AFP that in the current situation, we have to remain professionals. Interest groups, domestic and foreign, would like to sow intrigue, disinformation, misinformation, malinformation, to weaken the chain of command and to cause it to break.
I would like to repeat my statement that there are no reports of AFP personnel resigning. No? So wala tayong fa-file ng cases dahil wala namang nag-resign. And in fact, as I said, strictly yung pong ating resignation is a formal process. You cannot resign via social media. Diba? Hindi ka naman pwede mag-post na nagre-resign ka, and even in corporate organizations, I don't think that is the proper forum to do it. Yes, we have the necessary policies that are in place, social media policies within the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and any personnel that are found to be a violation of this will be sanctioned accordingly. Yes, yung sa account owners nga, if these are verified to be owned by AFP personnel, they will be sanctioned accordingly based on the policies that are in place. Yung sa iba po, we leave that to our law enforcement agencies to implement.